Looking to upgrade the crappy stock plastic OE charge pipes in your EcoBoost Mustang? This is the CPE Hotside charge pipe. What's up guys, Rick with Raleigh Sport Direct here bringing you another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got the CPE hot charge pipes specific for your EcoBoost Mustang. Now, we're just gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up with my trusty razor so I can give you guys the full unboxing experience because these are sealed and packaged very nicely from CPE. So, it's always kind of a big box here, but there we go. All right, so of course we just got a lot of shipping materials just to make sure everything stays exactly the way it came from the factory, which is pretty much exactly what you want. Just gonna set all that stuff off to the side, and we've got our instructions. There we go. Okay, so this is it in their black satin, beautiful powder coat. Of course, this is all mandrel bent tubing for really high airflow and just smooth airflow. Now, this is going to connect from basically the cold side of your intercooler up to the throttle body and is a massive, massive improvement over the factory charge pipes. The factory charge pipes, really there's a lot to be left on the table as far as airflow, quality, looks. I mean, if you have an EcoBoost Mustang, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And this, even if you're not going for performance, this is just a nice, in my opinion, like maintenance type. This is future proofing. So that way, you know, the factory charge pipes eventually will fail. With a lot of heat cycles in them, that plastic starts to become brittle. Eventually they're gonna fail, and something like this will last a lifetime. Now, it does come with instructions, but honestly, this is gonna be a pretty easy install. However, the instructions are always, you know, welcomed, and they are in color, very, you know, step by step, very well laid out, which is always a big plus. And it does come with everything you're gonna need to install it, including silicone hoses, T-bolt clamps, and everything that you could possibly want to get this thing installed. Installation on this, again, is gonna be fairly easy. You do have to go underneath the car, but other than that, it's not too bad. Now, CPE makes, you know, both this hot side and the cold side piping along with aftermarket intercoolers, intakes, full exhaust. So if you've got a Mustang EcoBoost and you're looking to upgrade, they make some killer products, and this black satin finish is just absolutely gorgeous. Check it out. It's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.